In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Zoho books and manage your banking information effectively. Whether you're a beginner or someone who occasionally struggles with financial software, this guide will make the process smooth and efficient for you. So let's dive right in. First, let's get started by accessing Zoho books. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and type in the Zoho books URL to reach the login page. Enter your credentials and you should find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Once you are logged in and on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the banking section. You can usually find this option in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page that displays all your linked bank accounts. This feature in Zoho Books is quite handy as it consolidates your financial information in one place, giving you a clear view of your transactions and balances. Now here comes the crucial part, selecting your specific bank account. Choose the account you want to manage and click on it. This action will unlock options specifically tailored for that account, including the transactions and settings associated with it. A tip here is to regularly check this section to monitor your financial status and any discrepancies in transactions. Once you've selected your bank account, you'll want to make sure it's configured to suit your needs. Navigate to the settings. You'll find the settings option usually represented by a small gear icon, which you need to click on. Now, depending on what action you need to perform, you may have several options available to you. If, for instance, you decide that you need to remove this bank account from Zoho Books, you should look for the Delete option. Clicking on Delete is the final step to unlink this bank account permanently from your Zoho Books profile. Remember, deleting a bank account is irreversible, so make sure this is the action you want to take before you proceed. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully navigated through Zoho Books and managed your bank account settings with ease. By following these straightforward steps, managing your banking with Zoho Books can become second nature. Stay on top of it, and you'll not only keep your financial records accurate, but also enhance your financial planning and analysis capabilities. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your use of various software tools.